Today we're gonna solve the third layer, the Rubik's Cube. I remember we have been solving the first layer, second layer, and now it's time to solve the third layer. Now remember we have been keeping the white face facing up. Now we're gonna change that and we're gonna have the yellow facing up. The first thing to do here is to introduce the formula. Remember this layer is the most detailed, and I'm gonna make it easy using a formula. So alright, I'm gonna introduce the contents of the formula, and here they are. So R looks like this, like that. So you rotate the face on your right hand clockwise. Alright, R naught is the opposite of R, so you rotate like that. Alright, L is you rotate the face on your left hand clockwise. That is L. Then L naught is the opposite of that. Alright, U is you rotate the upper face clockwise like that. Then U naught is the opposite of that. So opposite of that is that. Alright, now having that, we can go to solving it. Now the first step, I call it yellow cross. You're gonna make sure that you have a yellow cross on top here. Alright, now to do that, this is what we're gonna do. You're gonna find an L on top here and make it face your left hand. It should be on top, and on top there, top, not here. So that one, we've got the yellow L facing my left hand. Alright, if you don't have a yellow L, just don't worry, just perform the steps. But if you have, hold it facing your left hand. Then you conduct these steps. You're gonna rotate this side facing you. You're gonna rotate it like that. Then you perform these steps. R, U, R naught, and U naught. Then you return this layer where it was, like that. Alright, it should be solved, or you should find an horizontal line like this. So hold this yellow line horizontal like that, not vertical. Make sure it's like that, and repeat the steps. So this face facing you, I rotate it like that, and you're gonna return it after the steps. Then conduct the steps, then return this layer where it was there. And now you should be having a yellow cross. The next step is matching edges of the cross to their centers. These are the edges of the cross. We're gonna match them with their centers. Like this one is matched. This is blue edge, so it should be on top of this blue center. This one is wrongly placed. This one is wrongly placed. It should be here. This one is wrongly placed. So to solve that, we are gonna use this formula. So before you use the formula, you are gonna rotate this layer, upper layer, until at least two edges match. So just rotate it around and find what matches. Nothing. We have a orange and nothing else, so rotate again. We have a green and a red, so we have at least two. When you have the two, make them face your left hand and away from you. You're gonna perform this formula: R U U R not U not R U not R not. When you do that, you should now rotate this upper layer. uh, it should now match the edges. Now rotate it like that. I can see now the edges uh, are done. Alright, that is done. The next step, I call it matching corners with their sides. For instance, this corner, it should have colors, all the colors of the faces it occupies. So this corner, it occupies face yellow, face green, and face orange. It should have all those colors. Let's find whether it has. It has yellow, it has green, and it has orange. So that is a perfectly placed corner. This one is wrong. So what you do, you find one correctly placed corner and make it face your right hand like this. When it's in that position, now you can perform the steps I'm gonna show you. But if it's not, you just do the steps. It will, you will find one. All right. Now, when it's facing your right hand, do these steps. L not U R U not L U R not and U not. Now it should be either solved, or if it's not solved, you can repeat. So let me see, and it's solved. That one is correctly placed. This one is correctly placed. This one is correctly placed. I mean, it has all the colors of those sides. It has red, it has blue, it has yellow. The last step, I call it yellow corners. So in this step, you're supposed to take the yellow corners up there. All right, like this one should be up there, this one should be up there, and yeah. All right, now in this step we have a few possibilities of how the yellow colors can be positioned and how to deal with them. We want the most number of yellows facing the right hand, or at least on the right side. When the yellows are here and here, you hold these ones facing your right hand. All right, like that. When the yellows are here and here, you hold them to your right hand side, like that. When the yellow colors, one is here, the other one is here, and other one here, what you do, you hold the most number of yellow colors on your right hand side. So we have this and this. Do we have any other option, and this one away. I mean, avoid the yellow colors on your left hand. So hold them on your right hand side and maybe away from you. So like that. Then when you have one yellow color here and the other one here, just make sure you hold the one that is closest to you to your right hand like that, and one away from you. So avoid yellow colors on the left hand side. So to the right hand and away from you. I guess now those are all the possibilities of locations of yellow colors we got. So when you hold them to the right position and you hold the cube in the right position, now conduct these steps. R U R naught U naught R U naught R naught. The other section is L naught U U L U L naught U